All right, what's up, guys? So, it's Taiwo Jazz. Sorry, in this short video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to stake your token on Binance. All right. So, for those that have Shiba Inu and you want to stake it on Binance, this is how you go about it. It's a very simple step. Just follow my simple step. All right. So, first of all, you open your Binance account. All right. So, when that loads up, then you click on more here. You have to click on more. When you click on more, you come to the finance section, and then you click on what? Staking, right here. So you click on staking. So as you can see here, there are a lot of tokens you can stake, so you can just keep scrolling and be looking for token. If you have any token or you have any coin on Binance and you want to check if they have staking, just click on this search button and then click on search the name of the token you want to stake. So in this case, I want to stake Shiba Inu. So I'll just press SHIB. All right, so we have Shiba Inu. You click on it. So as you can see, this is the three type of duration you can stake on Binance. You can stake for 90 days, 60 days, and 30 days. So let's say you want to stake for 90 days. You click on stake. So if I have Shiba Inu in my wallet, the one I have, I've already staked it already. All right. So if I have any more SHIB I want to stake, I'll just click on what? I'll click on max. So I'll click on max. If I have, okay, I've already clicked on max, and you can see I have 1,427.92 Shiba. And say it's not enough to minimum lock. All right, that's because I've already locked the 2 million I have. All right, so if I have enough, I'll just click on what? I'll just click on max, and then it's going to bring this old stuff here. You can see the stake date, the date you're staking, the value date, all right, and the interest period. The interest is going to accumulate every 1 day. All right, interest end date, the date is, the staking is going to stop, and then the redemption period 1 day after the staking stop at so day. It's going to take another 24 hours before you can able to redeem your token, and the redemption date, and the estimated APY is 5.25%. All right, so the interest you're going to earn if I'm able to stake this 1,427, if I stake for 90 days, I'll be able to earn 18 Shiba. So once you're done with all that, you click on I have read terms and conditions, and you click on what? Confirm. So once you click on confirm, it's going to stake your token. All right, so if you want to see where your token is, or you want to follow it up, you can always come to wallet. Under wallet, you can come to earn right here. So when you click on earn, you see this is the one I've staked already. All right, this is the Shiba Inu I staked already. As you can see, I'm on 2.481 Shiba and I stake. So I've staked it for 4 days so far. All right, and the interest so far, cumulative interest so far, is 1,427 Shiba, just as the one I used to do example right there. All right, so the redemption date is January 24th. That's the day I'm going to be able to unlock this Shiba Inu at 11 a.m. So that's how to stake on Binance. All right, so I think it's pretty much how to stake on Binance. All right, so that's just it. It's a very simple step, nothing serious. It's just a very simple step. All right, have a nice day.